everybody. We're here in Big Bear on the Golden Mountain Trail. We're in this kind of a rocky section. I don't know what they call it, boneyard or something, but anyway, this company, Bunker Indust, has sent me these kind of multi-purpose blocks for leveling or to act as like a support for maybe a jack stand or jack. I actually used the factory bottle jack, so I'm probably actually going to use this a lot. Before I was using wood. So here we have the product. We're going to open up the box. Got a little instructional guide. I can open it. Comes with this case. It's probably like pleather or something. I don't know. So we're going to open it up. And we're going to see these blocks, right? So we can use these blocks to put under the vehicle and prop a jack on top to get additional height. Previously I used wood, but this company reached out to me to give me this product for a review, so I'm going to be doing that. So the height of these boxes together, or blocks I should say, leveling blocks, are about 10 inches. And they have this cool feature where they like kind of lace into each other, right? So they double as like a traction board. I would not use this on kind of like rock obstacles, really. If you're in the sand or snow, I can see these working, but really not for rocks. But for what I'm going to be using it for, it's going to be perfect. So you got 4 together right now, right? Because they kind of double as a traction board. And if you want a level surface, if you have a rooftop tent and you found camp but it's uneven, these would work really good for leveling your vehicle by lacing them together in whatever configuration you need. Alright, so I got all the traction boards connected together, right? Here they are. One application, you could put it under the tires, roll forward. You don't have to use all of them. You could just use a few of them to level your vehicle, or potentially get you out of being stuck if you're in sand or maybe an icy, snowy condition. I can see these working, but kind of layer them up however you need to. So I got these leveling blocks or pads, if you will, connected together. So let's say I was gonna maybe camp here. Not that I would. It's super rocky. I don't have a rooftop tent, but if I did and I had to camp here, you'd obviously want a level surface. So we're going to demonstrate these to level out the vehicle. So for this application, I'm kind of using it to level out the vehicle. They seem to work. I don't know how much I would trust them as a traction board or whatever they call it. I don't use any. I have a rear locker, so I don't need it. But anyway, it's working pretty good. And like I said, you can stack them up if you need additional dunnage to get the height for jacking up your vehicle. Pretty common. You ruin tires, you got to change your tires. Very, very common thing. So you need a way of jacking up your vehicle. Obviously, you need a spare tire. But anyway, these are pretty good for what they're intended for. These actually come apart pretty easy. No magic trick or anything. Just make sure you get in the right spot and pull out. So we're going to get these taken apart real quick. Alright, let's say you don't want to use a high lift. I really don't like using them. I use them on the really hard trails. I usually just have one person in the group to have them, but so if you need additional height and you have like a factory bottle jack, which do work, by the way. I've actually used them all the time to change tires and stuff. But anyway, all you're going to do is put in a level surface, or try to make a level surface, and attach your bottle jack here and go to the frame or somewhere safe where you can create additional height with these. Okay, they stack up, like I said, to 10 inches high, so it should get you out of a pickle. Alright, so my final thought on these, they're pretty useful actually for a lot of applications for creating additional height for a jack, which is what they're designed for. with a kind of secondary purpose to act as a traction pad in certain situations, not all situations. I wouldn't say for crazy rock obstacles, but for sand and snow, I could see these working out pretty good to get you out of a pinch.